This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deborah Villari. As you step into this charming, freshly painted inside and out, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom corner property, you'll immediately feel the warmth of home for the holidays. Owners have recently installed a new roof and impacted windows, with sliders, for the buyer's peace of mind. This home is situated on a spacious lot with a fully vinyl fenced yard, providing a secure and open space for your pets to roam freely. The front walkway is adorned with several Plumeria plants, which bloom in spring, adding a touch of color and vibrancy as you approach the home. Inside, the open floor plan creates a welcoming atmosphere, with a cozy living room featuring a stylish wood accent wall, luxury vinyl flooring, and recessed lighting that enhances the modern feel. The kitchen is newly remodeled and perfect for entertaining, offering a large Corian breakfast bar countertop, a subway tile backsplash, and new stainless steel appliances. A separate breakfast nook with wainscoting provides additional space for guests and casual dining, while 2 pantry closets offer plenty of storage. The owner's suite is spacious, featuring a deep wall-to-wall closet and a well-appointed ensuite bathroom with dual sinks, a separate shower, and a garden tub, ideal for unwinding after a long day. 2 additional bedrooms, each with ceiling fans and deep closets, share a well-maintained bathroom with a tub and 2 linen closets. Located in Northport, Florida, one of the fastest-growing areas in the United States, this home offers easy access to the newly developed Welland Park downtown area. Enjoy nearby attractions like the Atlanta Braves spring training games, movies on the lawn, food trucks, and water sports on the large lake. Warm Mineral Springs, known for its healing properties, is just a short drive away, along with the Coco Plum Shopping Plaza and a variety of local restaurants. The area also boasts beautiful beaches, including Minnesota Key, Venice Beach, and Englewood Beach. Plus, with convenient access to both Tampa and Fort Myers airports, travel is a breeze. Make your apt today. For more information, review the details below or contact Deborah Villari at 941-207-5055.